Hey guys, today we're going to be making some slime. So you will need, for this slime, you will need borax, some Elmer's glue, food coloring of your choice, 1 cup, half a cup, and 1 teaspoon, something to mix with, and a bowl. So the first thing that we're going to do is get 1 cup of water. So we have 1 cup of water here. We're just going to carefully put it into the bowl. Okay. So let's move on to the next thing. So now we are going to take our borax and take your 1 teaspoon and scoop out 1 teaspoon of borax out. Okay. Now we have our 1 teaspoon of borax. Just dump it in the bowl. Place it in the bowl. Now you have to mix it. Okay, so we just found out that the chopstick does not work, so I recommend using a popsicle stick, a colored one or non-colored one. So can you please mix it?
Yeah.
So now we have to get our glue out. Just prepare your glue, and we'll be using it in a second. Now we add the food color of our choice to the bowl of borax and water. So let's just take this here and let's put a couple of drops. I'd recommend 2 to 3.
Squeeze it harder.
Or 3 to 4. But for this one, we're just going to put 1 because this one has really big drops. So just 1 and mix it, please. Okay, so now that's done. Or here, let me help. Okay, so now we'll need a larger bowl. So now we will need your half a cup and just fill it up with some water. Okay, so here we have half a cup of water. And we're just going to pour it into the larger bowl. There. Now that we've poured it into the larger bowl, we'll go on to the next step. So now you'll need your Elmer's glue. You'll need your Elmer's glue. And take half a cup and just fill it up. Just fill it up, but make sure it doesn't overflow. There, that's perfect.
That's perfect. Oh, that's so much.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Now, you want to pour it into the big bowl.
Yeah. And then, oh, what the heck is that? But
okay, here it is. Just use this to take out some more glue over here.
Whoa, whoa.
Yeah, it's okay. Just leave it. It's gonna be fine. Some dripping from the side there. There you go. Just leave it. Leave it. Okay, so now that is done. Now you're gonna need your popsicle stick again, and then you're gonna mix it.
Me!
You're gonna mix it well.
Me, I said. Me!
when that is all mixed, we can move on to the next step. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take your smaller bowl of borax, water, and food coloring into the larger bowl filled with water and glue.
Yeah.
Here. Now let's use a popsicle stick to get any excess stuff out. Because at the bottom here, you can see that there's so much food coloring. I don't think we mixed it well. Not yet. Now, as my brother wants to go ahead and do, we're going to start mixing it with our hands just like this.
Whoa!
You see that? Just like this.
Yeah!
There, like that. Just bring it up
Whoa!
like that. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Don't make a spill.
Okay.
So just keep mixing like this.
Wow, that's so
Soon
much.
enough, all of this will come together. First, there will be some white blobs all over your slime, but don't worry, that'll clear off if you keep going like this. Wow. Some slime.
I want to.
Okay, here.
Yay! Yeah.
There, just up and down like this. Up and down.
Where?
Up and down.
Looks like a jelly
Great
guy.
job.
It's like a jelly guy.
Now here.
Looks like a jelly guy.
Okay.
Yeah.
But after, you might want to wash your hands.
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of food coloring on this.
Yeah. Ooh.
Okay, so here. Wow. And just to tell you that what kind of slime this is snapping slime.
Whoa.
It's a type of slime that snaps fast like this.
Whoa.
And it's kind of hard to mush it back together. But if you press it down with your thumbs, it'll come back together in one piece.
Whoa. What's this? It's dripping. It's dripping.
There. Okay. Oh,
Sorry.
whoa.
Sorry
Okay.
again.
Go wash your hands.
Again.
Go wash your hands. Just open the door. Here's the slime. Very slimy. Very, very slimy. Looks like I'm milking cow's udder.
Whoa.
It's so awesome.
I touch it.
Can you close the door?
I touch it.
This is so awesome.
I touch it.
Okay, yeah, you can touch it. As you can see, all the white spots of it are going away. Or I don't know if you could see it, but you'll know when you try this out. I hope you guys try this out. Because it's super, super fun.
Whoa.
Yeah, wow. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's enough. I already told you to wash your hands. Go wash them again.
I like doing that.
Whoa. So awesome to play with slime, and it's so much fun and easy.
Yeah.
So once you're satisfied with your slime, oh my gosh, my hands are oh, look at this. It looks like my hands were mixed in egg yolk right now.
Yeah.
That is just gross. I'm gonna wipe my hands with a napkin.
Just stamps.
Okay, so now
Rainbow stamp is right here.
Okay, so once you are done with that, you can go ahead and empty out all the excess liquids.